Marcus Miller. He's one of the top bass players in the world, and he's on Real Jazz, a 360-degree view of jazz. With Miller Time with Marcus Miller. Hear Miller Time, Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 Pacific, on Real Jazz.
Hello everyone, I'm jazz organist Pat Young, and welcome to Organize here on Sirius XM Radio. For the next hour, I'll be playing music that features my favorite instrument, the mighty Hammond B3 organ. And I'll be featuring a lot of great artists this next hour, including Leon Spencer, Reuben Wilson, Jack McDuff, Larry Young, and many more. We're going to start off with a track by the late great Joe DiFrancesco from his 2000s.
Okay, here we have the Cuisine Art 14 cup coffee maker. Fully automatic. You can program it. It has different settings. You can program it to start whatever time you want it to in the morning or afternoon, whatever time you make your coffee. You can also just brew on the spot. They have a cleaning setting. You can set bold for bold coffee. It does hold 14 cups of coffee. We've never done that much, but it can. It does have a filtration system. So on the inside, there is a filter that you can change, usually monthly. That is a nice added feature. And then it does have this little mesh filter that you can use, or you can use the paper filters. It does take the number 4 cone filter. You can just pop that in there and then throw it away. Super easy. Love this. Bought it on Amazon. Had it less than 24 hours. It is amazing and we love it.
This is my old coffee pot with Mr. Coffee. You see that it has really easily seen numbers on the side, and you can easily open it to clean it, fill water with it. This is the Cuisinart, and you see how very light these are. It's really hard to see, and it doesn't have a pop-up top. You have to snap it off every time, and which I wonder is going to get worn out over time. But the coffee pot does make good coffee.
So